Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. The dehumidifier is being asked to dry the air in order to dry the wet materials, and so to make that efficient we've encapsulated the wet materials. So in this case this is the wet ceiling and the wet wall from the leak from the bathroom above. What we need to do is to get the air from the dehumidifier into that tent, and by doing that we can focus the energy from the dehumidifier on what's actually wet and not have to try and dry things we don't need to dry, like the rest of the kitchen. And this is quite a small volume tent, and we're using this dehumidifier. This is the Ecor Pro EPD100LGR. It's quite a powerful dehumidifier. It moves nearly 500 cubic meters of air per hour, and it's using less than 500 watts. So that is an ideal drying system for this tent. All we need to do is to be able to get the air from there into the tent, and that's relatively straightforward. We fit a duct adapter onto the air outlet. We feed the duct into the tent. We take our outlet tube, because this is a refrigerant dehumidifier, and this is converting water vapour that's in the air into a liquid where it can be pumped. So we take the tube, we fit the tube onto the outlet, push and click till it locks. We take the other end of the tube and we need to put that into a discharge point. Well, we're here in the kitchen, so it's easy for me to put this in the sink. But I don't really want to just put that into the edge of the sink, because it's very likely that someone's going to trip over this, pull it out, and then it's going to leak all over the floor. So what I really need to do is to put a loop in it, tie it into a little knot, hook the knot over the tap, poke the free end of the pipe into the overflow, and now the kitchen can still be used. The kitchen sink can be used, and if anybody pulled the pipe, it's going to still discharge into the sink. And that's an ideal setup for this type of drying.